Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. CXC peeps, been a while, don't it? Been a while, guys. Let's go. Let's look at some past paper question. And it says, simplify the expression, your answer as a single fraction. So we are given 2m divided by n minus 5m over 3n. So let me just rewrite it. So the first thing we want to do after we rewrite it is basically to find the LCM of these two. All right, so we have 2m. So the LCM would have been 3n, right? That's the lowest number that both can go into without leaving a remainder. So we draw a line, and of course we have a 3n here. By the way, guys, new device me I using, so and I get used to it. So n into 3n, the n would cancel, so that would leave 3. So we're gonna times this one by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. So that would give us 6m. 3n into itself, that would go 1 time. So we multiply negative 1 times 5, right? And of course, that would give us minus 5m. So all we have to do now is subtract. So it will be 6m minus 5n, which is 1m, positive 1m, right? Over 3n, which is our LCM. So this would be our answer. All right, next one says, if A asterisk B is equal to A squared minus B, evaluate 5 asterisk B. Now, what this is saying that A is equal to this 5 here, and B is equal to this 2 here. So all we have to do is just substitute it in this. I call it the rule. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I call it the rule. So it's going to be the first one, which is 5 squared, because A is 5, so we square the 5 and we minus, what's this now, B, which is 2. So 5, that's 25, and we subtract the 2 from it. So that would give us 23, and that would have been the answer. So our answer would have been 23. All right, let's move on to the next one. It says factorize completely. Now, I don't have a lot of space. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm just going to try to bracket off C right where it is. I'm just going to work it there. These are some older CXC papers when they never used to create the space for you to do it on it. So we're going to take out the highest common factor. So we're going to think of what number can go into 3 and 6. That would have been 3, right? So 3, x is not common, or y, right? Because x is in this, but x is not in this. So can close our bracket, 3 into that leave x. And of course, 3 into negative 6y, that's going to leave minus 2y. All right, put back with plus. Look at the next one now. We have x squared minus 2xy. Now, x is common here. X is common here. That's it, right? So we take out our x. And then x into x leave x. X into minus 2xy would leave minus 2y. The x would cancel itself. So we can see that it's coming nice and easy. We have the x minus y here and the x minus y here. So we're going to pull out that. Sometimes students actually do it and don't know the answer. So all you have to do, guys, when this is common, you pull it out. Big up to all who support Mr. Bennett, you know. Really appreciate you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys. All right, so next we put what outside the bracket, and this is 3 plus x. We can write it as x plus 3 or 3 plus x. It doesn't matter. I prefer to write it as x plus 3, but both of them would be correct. If you had 3 plus x, it would have been correct just the same. All right, so that. Big up, big up, big up. If you're not a subscriber, I don't know if I tell you, I don't know if I tell you, but you're missing out on a lot. Remember, not just CXC, but you have PEP. All of them something there. All of them something there. All right, big up Sir Mitchell, Big up Sir Mitchell. He helped me get this new device. All right, so it says a drinking straw of length 21 centimeters. So guys, when you get this, make sure you write down those little information. 21 centimeters, and it cut in 3 pieces, right? So you cut it in 3 pieces basically. Well, they cut it, CXC cut it, right? The length of the first piece is X. So that a X, that I answer already for this. Or what them now want it, so right? The second piece is X. The second piece is 3 centimeters shorter than the first. The third piece is twice as long as the first piece. So I could just write it here. So since as them says state in terms of X the length of each of the pieces. Let me see if I 3 marks for that. Let me see if I 3 marks for that. So basically, so the first one would have been X, right? That's the first piece. The second piece, since it's 3 centimeters shorter, that is X minus 3. And the third piece is twice as long as the first. Now the first is X, so twice as long would have been 2X. And that would be our answer. All right, cool. Let's move on to another one. It says write an expression in terms of the sum of the three. Oh, guys, remember you're encouraged to try. So you guys should have tried that, right? So let's find the sum. Sum mean to add, right? So it should have been x plus x minus 3 and plus 2x because that's what they want, the sum. And that's it. No, we can't simplify it still, we can simplify it. So it'll be x plus x, that's 2x, so it's 4x minus 3. So it should have been 4x minus 3 as the expression. All right. It said hence calculate the value of x. So how can we calculate the value of x? That should be easy, right? Because they told us that it was 21. Remember at the start, they said that it was 21. So let's find the value of x. So I'm going to use the simplified version. So it's 4x minus the 3, and that must equal to 21. So now we're supposed to add 3 to both sides. We're going to take the opposite of minus 3, which is plus 3. So remember, in an equation, what you do to one side, you do to the next side. So it should have been the balance equation. So that will be 4x equal 24. Why may I itch it up so? I'm sure I have all space now. Because see if I have space. Because right now, yo, may I eat it, And see here, the guys, 2009. As I say, it's one of the longer years. I've done so many past papers on my channel, I have to go back in time to find questions that I haven't done. So the value of x is 6. So I could check it if it's correct. So x, the first one, it'll be 6, right? The first one, it'll be x minus 3. So x minus 3, that'll be 3. And the next one would have be double. Double. So this is supposed to add to 21. 6 and 3, 9, 921. So that's all you check if your answer is correct. Alright? So guys, like and follow for more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Lennox Bennett. Subscribe to my TikTok at Lennox Bennett. LinkedIn, Lennox Bennett. Alright? I'm out, no doubt. Let me show you my number, guys, for those who want to join the class. Remember, marathon coming up, See the number here? 549-2161. Thanks for watching. Let's spend it tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.